This is gonna be a really chaotic video. Hey everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome back to my channel. This week we're doing something a little bit different, a little bit of a chill video. Let me explain what's going on, why I'm outside, what's happening. So basically I am moving soon and I need to go through my magazines a little bit, lighten the load. I don't want to move everything that I have right now. It's just too heavy, it's too much stuff. So my plan for today is to go through the stack of Nat Geos and sort of do some harvesting. I want to pull out the images that I really love and put them into my filing cabinet, my filing system I have here. So I've been using this for my full page cutouts that I cut out of books and magazines. And basically I have like some categories like landscapes, oceans, animals, insects, flowers, maps, that sort of thing. I do think some of them need to be like subcategorized. So like the landscapes should probably have like a landscapes mountain, landscapes ocean, landscapes with trees, like some more subcategories, because I know in particular the landscapes folder is just full to the brim and it's kind of hard to search through. So I do think there needs to be some finessing on the system, but I do like it for now. I will say I have a different way I organize my small cutouts, although I don't really talk about it because I kind of hate, well, so I'm testing out a few different systems and I kind of hate all of them. If you have any suggestions on how to store really small cutouts, I know some people do Ziploc bags or like a bunch of little boxes. I kind of just find all of that really cumbersome. Maybe there isn't a great solution, but anyway, if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. And if I ever find something really great, I will share it with you because I am just still kind of struggling on how to keep all that stuff. But anyway, let's jump into looking at these magazines. I'm hoping we're going to find some really cool images. If there's anything I really love, I will put it off to the side and maybe we can use it in a future video. I do think this is a good way to find inspiration. So let us jump into the magazines and get to harvesting. So this must be a duplicate of a magazine that I already have because I have used these forks in a collage. I'll put it on screen. And then I also tried to use these puffins in a collage in a video. There was like a couple dancing. I tried to put them on here. It didn't work, but I tried to use it. So I think that this is a duplicate. Oh, I also used this image in a collage. I'll put that on screen too. So I don't know why, but this is a duplicate of a magazine I already have, and I haven't cut into this one yet, so I'm just going to put it off to the side to donate it because I've already used a lot of the images in here. Can we just talk about these feathers for a second? They are insanely beautiful. Like, that is so cool. These are awesome. I cannot wait to use these in a collage. They're so cool. Can we just talk about how cool these chameleon pictures are? They're just so incredible. I don't even know how I would use them. I feel like some of these, like this one, I would just have to use the texture, like the skin as a colorful texture. Something like this we could put in a scene, but these are really cool. I am definitely gonna pull these out. Him sleeping, oh my God. And the tail, wow, precious. All right, I just finished going through all the magazines and here is my donate pile. So these are magazines that I didn't cut up at all and didn't think they were worth it. So I'm gonna just donate these. I would say it's about half the pile. And down here I have my giant pile of images that need to be sorted. It is a very giant pile, so let's get sorting. So I don't have a fruit category. Well, actually, I think I need to make a food category. So I'll put that off to the side and put all the food with it because I do have, like, here's some more food. So I think we need a category for food. So something like this, should it go in textures or landscapes? I'm gonna put it in textures because by textures, I mean just like things that aren't real things that could be used as backgrounds. Does that make any sense? I'm not sure. But like this, I would put in, I have a space category, and while I think technically this is a landscape, I would probably want to use it for the stars, so then I would put it in the space category. I don't know, whatever system you want to do, I think is probably fine. I'm like, where do I put this? I don't know, fire, flames. I probably should have a like volcano, fire, lava, any like really red thing. I probably should have a separate folder for that, so maybe we'll make that. So put it off to the side. Now I have a flowers folder, and I think the flowers folder has sort of become the general plants folder. I don't think that's right, but I don't have a plants folder. So I'm just gonna continue to put plants in the flowers folder, and then at some point I'll separate the flower and plants folder. And the front and back thing. Like this has something separate than this back image, so I just don't know. Okay, so this is gonna go in the volcano / lava / fire folder once I make that. Okay, that whole big stack is birds. That makes things easy. So I also think I need a sky folder, like something where there's cool clouds or some other things happening with the sky. I feel like there's sort of a fine line between skies and landscapes, but I think that separation probably needs to happen. And these like tornadoes, and I think this is epic storms. This collection I think should go in like a sky folder. See, like this is a plant, but I also think it's a texture. I would probably use it as a texture, so I think I'm gonna put it in that folder. But this actually kind of looks like a plant, so I'll probably put it in the plant folder, which is actually, like I said, the flower folder. It's very confusing. And right now, I've been putting just anything that has an ocean in it, whether it has an animal or not, in an oceans folder. I probably should at some point separate those so I have an oceans and then an ocean animals folder, but I don't know, I'm not there yet. That's true in the sky folder. Oh, I also pulled these words because I never use words in my collage, never use letters, but I did think that this was a good collection to have if I ever did want to use words. And I have a miscellaneous folder, and I think because this is not something I have a lot of, I will put it in the miscellaneous folder. The new categories I have to make that I didn't have are food, bones, because I found some whale skeletons and a few skulls, skies, so anything with like cool clouds or like lightning, anything with a cool sky, and then there's one more, oh yeah, fire and volcanoes. So those are the 3 new categories we have to make. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed whatever this was. I don't know, sometimes you just need to like go through your magazines and cut stuff out and organize them, and that's what we did today. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you next Thursday for another collage video. Bye.